Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In this video we'll be turning this field into a half decent looking lawn. So I hope you enjoy the video. We're going to start off by brush cutting all these wild thistles down, and we'll collect them up because they're too thick to trim or mow. So as my brother trims around the edges, I will be going up and down with the mower. First cut, taking the tops off. Now I wasn't expecting to get lines in it just yet. A bit of goat's fur all over the place. Now for the first cut it did actually turn out better than I expected it to. Bit of scenery here for you. These are the Great Orme trams there, about to cross. And just beyond them, the cable cars to the summit. Not on today though, because it's too windy, I imagine. And over here, there's the tram station. And just below, down here, this is the old copper mines. These are a few of the tourist attractions around here. Right, time for the second cut now. I'll just take you for a quick spin. I always cut lawns twice, always. There they are, skiving it there. Quick blow. And there we have it, a field into a half decent lawn. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Like, comment and subscribe. And just before we go, come and meet the dogs. Say hello. And you. Say hello. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.